Welcome back to this channel. To my new subscribers, karibuni sana. I'm here again with another video on how to take care of your face, how to get rid of the dead cells, or how to get a softer skin in case you're having a rough face, you have some pimples due to accumulation of dead cells and all that. I'm here to show you how to cleanse up and clean up your face and keep it fresh and smooth. Subscribe, and without further ado, let's get it. So if you do makeup oftenly or on a daily basis, then you need to scrub your face at least twice a week. But if you never do makeup or you don't do it on a daily basis and you don't apply so much oil on your face, then you need to scrub your face at least once a week. This is the scrub that I use, Lady Diana collection, the gold scrub. So you just apply minimal amounts to your face. That way, and scrub your face thoroughly. Please make sure this scrubber doesn't come into contact with your eyes. Rub it against your face thoroughly. This is what gets rid of your dead cells on the face, because it's a bit rough. It has some rough particles. So once you scrub your face, it is getting rid of your dead cells. So after you've scrubbed your face, wash it off before you go in with your cleanser. I'm going to wash it off. After you've washed off your scrub, you now cleanse your face. I'm using the Dr. Rashel cleanser. Yeah, the Dr. Rashel facial cleanser. This makes your skin firm, so you apply it on a moist face. Make sure that your face is moist before you apply. It's soapy, so once you wash it off, it's going to be soapy. Yeah, when it comes to the cleanser, don't overdo like we do with the scrubber. Be careful, this should not come into contact with your eyes. Then now wash this. So after you've washed your face, now last but not least, after you've washed your face, you now moisturize. Just use a moisturizer of your choice. I use the Dr. Rashel aloe vera moisturizer. So apply it evenly on your face. Yeah. Yes, and that's it. You can even go out without makeup. Your face remains smooth and firm. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I hope you've learned a thing or two on how to take care of your skin and how to get rid of the dead cells in you. So please subscribe to this video. Subscribe as much as you can, share it widely, and like. Then comment down below on what you've learned about this video or what you'd want to see next on my channel. Bye.